Hello guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. Popular instant messaging app WhatsApp keeps making changes and adding various features to improve the WhatsApp chatting experience. In this video, we are going to talk about upcoming WhatsApp updates, so keep watching TechnoSalad. It has been discussed for a long time that there will be a big chance in a group calling feature on WhatsApp soon. At the same time, the report revealed that the company has rolled out a new update for both its Android and iOS users. In this update, users will be able to add more than 4 members, that is total of 8 contacts in video and audio calling. As per reports from WhatsApp Beta Info, a website that tracks WhatsApp updates, WhatsApp has rolled out the beta version 2.20.132 for Android and beta version 2.20.50.25 for iOS. Currently, the new update has been rolled out on the beta version, but soon the company will be introducing its stable version. According to report, in order to use the latest beta version of WhatsApp, it is necessary to update the WhatsApp application. The new beta version will be seen only on the updated version. In the coming time, the company is slowly rolling out the stable version to all smartphone users. In the latest update, users can add up to 8 members simultaneously in video calling, whereas earlier this limit was only 4 members. Currently, the feature is available only for users who have signed up for WhatsApp Beta under Test Flight program. So that was one of the great updates from WhatsApp app. If you find the video informative, then please like and share with others. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and ring the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming useful tech news and tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.